Hi, Stacey.
Hi, Susie.
How are you?
I'm great. Thanks
You're
for
doing
having
good?
me.
Yes. So today, what's for the lunch or dinner today or breakfast?
Well, I decided on a breakfast burrito. I ran a house for Everest Academy about 3 years ago.
Okay.
House full of hockey boys going to private school, and they needed something before practice first thing in the morning.
Okay.
So I wanted protein. I wanted easy to take at the door if they were sleeping in. I'm going to start with the bacon. The
Okay.
bacon takes about a half an hour. I
Okay.
like to do it. I'll just grab it from the fridge. I like to do it on a griddle because low and slow is best for bacon. You just set it to about 300 and put your bacon out and just keep turning it. It takes about a half an hour for the bacon to cook here if you're low and slow with bacon.
Okay. So you will do a dozen eggs.
I will do a dozen
A
eggs.
dozen eggs. Okay. Okay.
Now
'cause-
you can use, if you were just doing one wrap for yourself, probably 2 eggs
Okay.
is plenty.
Okay.
And you just crack them all. You're going to fry them up like you would do scrambled eggs, which is fairly easy for any kid.
Yeah.
So then you're just going to mix your eggs.
Yeah. What do you have there?
I have a little bit of milk.
Okay.
Just to add
a little
in
bit
the
like
egg.
Those are pink salt.
Yep. Doesn't really matter what you use to season. You could do seasoning salt. You could
Okay.
do pepper. You could add some fresh herbs,
Yes.
thyme.
The bacon is almost done,
Yes.
right? So now we can start the eggs.
Right.
Okay,
So you're
can
going to
you-
set your pan just
Okay.
over medium heat. You're going to use a little bit of oil or
Okay.
Pam or
Regardless of
butter.
what kind of oil. Okay.
No, whatever your preference is.
Okay.
Pour your eggs in.
Okay. Just a scrambled egg, you
You're
said,
just
right?
gonna scramble
okay, I
it.
can take this and put it.
So we're going
still
to
cook
grab a
little bit.
plate.
Okay.
We'll grab something to line the plate just to soak up the last
Should
little
I
bit
put
of
some
grease.
turn
If
off?
you haven't ever cut an avocado before, you want it fairly ripe. You don't want it too firm to the touch.
Okay.
You cut it, you take a spoon to get it out. This one's very
Okay.
ripe.
You want
It's
me to give
about
you
right.
another plate?
Oh.
That's okay.
This is to go on top.
Okay.
So this one's got a little bit of a
Right,
bruise, so I'm going to just
Sometimes they're
eliminate.
hard.
They're perfect 1 or 2 days, and then they start turning on you. Then they're guacamole. The eggs are just about done.
Okay. This one done. I
Only
move
let
a
it
little
sit a
bit.
little bit too long while I was chopping.
Almost done.
Almost done.
Yeah. I give
So
you
then
some
we're
paper.
going to take the flour tortillas, and
Okay.
as I said, if you have a problem with gluten, you can make gluten-free.
Okay.
Just watch that if you get corn tortillas that they don't have anything but corn flour in them. So that
So you
is
hit
done.
the button, will be off.
So
That's
then
it?
you're just going to put it together.
Okay.
You're just going to melt the cheese in
Okay.
it. So you're going to put your eggs,
Okay.
a slice of bacon.
That bacon looks so good. It's crispy.
You're going to grab avocado, and if you
Okay.
can grab me a spoon, Susie.
Sure.
A little bit of cheese,
Okay.
a little bit of salsa.
Okay.
You're
That
going to
looks
fold
great.
up the end.
Okay. Here we go. Excellent.
Roll it and put the seam side down on the pan,
Okay.
and then the cheese will kind
Cheese
of
will
melt that so
melt,
it will
yeah.
stay
And then
shut.
like
You don't. You're
warm
not
now.
cooking it. You're
So
just
to
melting
cook.
the cheese
Yeah,
in
let
there,
me
and
cut
the
it.
cheese seals it together, so it's not flopping open.
Excellent.
Good stuff.
I want to give you a hug. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Here's a Stacey. Love to cook. A wonderful lady, nice mom, nice friends.